Building a secure login system for your entire business is one of the most critical steps you can take to protect your company's data and your clients' sensitive information. But how do you actually do it? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about creating a secure login system that protects your business from hackers, ensuring both you and your clients are safe. First things first, let's talk about why this is so important. Your login system is the gateway to everything within your business. A weak login system is like leaving the front door of your house wide open. Hackers are constantly looking for vulnerabilities, and without a secure login system, you're putting everything at risk. Now, let's break down how you can build a secure login system for your business. You want to start by implementing multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA requires users to provide more than just a password. They'll also need something like a code sent to their phone or an authentication app. This adds an extra layer of security and makes it much harder for attackers to break in, even if they have access to a user's password. Next up is password complexity. Encourage your users to create strong, complex passwords that combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. But don't just leave it there. You need to enforce password policies within your system, set a minimum length, and prevent common passwords like 123456 or password from being used. This step alone can drastically improve your login system's security. Another essential step is encryption. When users log in, all data being transmitted should be encrypted using secure protocols like HTTPS or SSL/TLS. This ensures that even if a hacker intercepts the data, they won't be able to read it. You can't afford to have login credentials transmitted in plain text. Next, consider using a centralized identity management system. Instead of having multiple login credentials spread across different platforms, centralize them into one system that can manage access across your entire business. This makes it easier to enforce security protocols, track who's accessing what, and revoke access when necessary. Finally, don't forget about monitoring and auditing. Regularly check for unusual login activity, like multiple failed attempts or logins from unfamiliar locations. Set up alerts so that if something suspicious happens, you can act quickly. Being proactive is key in protecting your business from potential security threats. Now, if you want to follow along with a tool that makes this process even easier, I've got something special for you. I've tested the most popular software solutions out there, and the software I'll be using in this video is my top pick. You can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it while you can. To recap, here's what you need to remember when building a secure login system for your entire business. Implement multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Enforce strong password policies. Ensure data is encrypted during transmission. Use a centralized identity management system, and always monitor and audit login activity. The key takeaway here is that a secure login system is essential for keeping your business safe, and by following these steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of being compromised. Don't forget to check out the free trial in the description below. It's exclusive to you as a viewer of my channel. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.